Okay, I have come across, and I hear water in the distance, some flowing down here low, but I know there was more up high. This is lightened up quite a bit. Yeah, this is the one at the beginning, so all the other heavy flow ones, this is interesting. And look right here, there's like water just coming out of the ground right there. It's very interesting. It is getting dark, if you can tell. Yeah, this one's still flowing pretty good, but I don't think, I mean, there were definitely others up above. This was my first experience with it, I think. There it goes, flowing down there. A little pool here. Hopefully I can jump across there. We should be getting close to the end now. Alright, hold on a second. There we go. Turn up the brightness on the phone. It can see a little better. You can hear those waterfalls over to the right. If I don't fall into them.
Lap 11, 2753.
They're very loud. I think I just have to get down by the river, cross the river, and I'm done. See, look how, I don't know if you can tell how steep this is. And considering how dark it is, can you see the river up there? It's like one very long waterfall. That's what makes it so loud, because it's just a very steep grade, like what I'm walking down. Well, that waterfall didn't get turned off, or river, or creek. Yeah, I really should have had my flashlight out just in case. So now, if something surprises me, don't have that. Just as a point of interest, I did plan on bringing my stun gun, because when you're out here in the middle of the woods, it makes a crackling, lightning-like sound that scares away most animals if needed. I thought, well, that could be useful by chance I'm confronted by something. Okay, we're back to the slippery log bridge. Yep. Just gonna Twilight Forest. Okay, let's not drop my phone. I wish I had the tether. If I slip, having the phone attached to me will be much better. Find my car. See a sign up ahead. I think we're there. Let's just hope the car's still there. If it's not, I'm gonna have a really fun walk down the hill to find cell service. Where would the car go? It's not like it decided to go home. Oh shit. A fork in the road. Too dark to read the sign. Okay. Had to look at the map to see which path I need to take. I think I'm on the right path. However, it's getting pretty dark, so I grabbed some lighting, have it ready. Right now, as you can see, I've got a red light. Gives me a little visibility when I need it, but red light's not visible from a long ways away. It won't attract anything to my position. Well, it doesn't look nearly as bright as it does on the camera here. I'm guessing that's because camera can see infrared and pick up red a lot better than human eyes can, apparently. All right. Okay. There's more flowing river type ground over here. I'm still not out of the woods. I've checked. According to all trails, I should be damn close. That's the one thing about the forest. With the canopy, especially in winter where the sun's at a sharper angle, it gets dark quick. Without the light, that's what I'm seeing. You can only see the ground, which means, okay, I see a reflector. That's the car. The light, well, if we need it, I used it for the last thing. Still there. Just hope it wakes up when I walk up to it. Wake up, car. Come on. Except I lost my key in the gate. So I put a tracker on it. Keep it in a tight pocket. Okay, that's it for me. I'm going to change it.